How to crop video in Alight Motion. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you crop video in Alight Motion. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Alight Motion app on your device. After you open Alight Motion, from here you'll have to just add your video on your project. For that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. And from here tap on create from scratch. Alright, from the section add your video. For that, again tap on plus icon at the bottom right. And from here tap on media. From the media section, choose your video whom you want to crop. After you choose and add your video, to crop them, you'll have to just choose your video. After you tap and choose your video, tap on the option border and shadow at the bottom. From the section, choose for the option stroke. After you turn on the stroke option, you can easily increase or decrease the stroke level. Like you can swipe right to increase the stroke level. After you increase the stroke level, it will automatically crop the video in Alight Motion. As you can choose for the start or end point from here, like you can customize the cropping level for your Alight Motion video, or you can also directly crop the video from the option move and transform. You can easily find that option at bottom left. After you tap on that, tap on the zoom icon at the bottom right. And from here, again, you can also increase or decrease the crop level. After you increase the crop level, you can simply crop the video in Alight Motion. So these are the two methods to crop your video on Alight Motion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.